Hello everyone, I am Dr. Parvez Ahmed. Today I am going to talk about the semaglutide. Is the most important drug these days. First, you understand the mechanism of action of semaglutide. How does it work? Semaglutide activate the GLP-1 receptor. GLP-1 receptor means glucagon-like peptide 1 receptor. It is present in brain, pancreas, gastrointestinal tract, kidney, heart. Once a GLP-1 receptor is activated, especially in the pancreas, it stimulates the glucose-dependent insulin secretion. What do I mean by that? Glucose-dependent insulin secretion. That means insulin is only secreted when blood glucose level is high or elevated. You can say above the 126 milligram per deciliter. Now, the second function of semaglutide is suppress the glucagon secretion. Third one is we know that GLP-1 receptor also present in GIT and it is responsible for delays gastric emptying. What do I mean by delays gastric emptying? Means food content slowing enter into from the stomach to intestine. Now next one is the GLP-1 also present in a hypothalamus and which reduces the appetite and increase the satiety. Now last function of the semaglutide is the promote the weight loss by improve the insulin sensitization. So these all are the function of semaglutide. Now move to the next one, clinical uses, where you prescribe such type of the drug. First one is the most important. We have semaglutide we have prescribed in case of type 2 diabetes mellitus, which improve the glycemic control. Next one also we have used in case of chronic weight management. We have prescribed in case of those patients which have BMI greater than 30 kg per meter square. That is in case of obese person, we have prescribed semaglutide. Now, next clinical usage of semaglutide is the reduction of cardiovascular risk, especially non-fatal MI, non-fatal stroke, and also reduces the chance of cardiovascular death. So these are the most important clinical uses of semaglutide. Now, next one, move to the adverse effects and contraindication. First one is the diarrhea, constipation, abdominal pain. These are the mild side effects related to semaglutide, but some severe side effects like acute pancreatitis, gallbladder disease like gallbladder stone, acute kidney injury. So these are the severe side effects related to semaglutide. Now move to the condition where you not prescribe the semaglutide, like first one, personal or family history of medullary thyroid carcinoma. Next one, multiple endocrine neoplasia syndrome type 2. And those patients who have hypersensitive to semaglutide, we can't use in that conditions. Now move to the preparation. Which type of preparation is available for prescribe? The Ozempic, Wegovy, and Rybelsus. These are the formulated by the Denmark-based company. Ozempic generally we have used in case of the diabetes mellitus. At the dose of starting dose is a 0.25 milligram. We have prescribed once weekly for first 4 weeks. Then we have used 0.5 milligram for next 4 weeks. Then we have increased the dose 1 milligram. Then next 4 weeks 2 milligram. We have increased once weekly. Okay. Now Wegovy formulation we have used start from the 0.25 milligram or again for next 4 weeks. Then we have increased the dose 0.5 milligram next 4 weeks. Then we have increased the dose 1 milligram for next 2 weeks. Then we have a start 2.4 milligram once weekly for the maintenance dose in case of the obese or diabetic patients. Now the last dose especially we have used in case of diabetic patient, Revelsus, start from the 3 milligram once daily for 30 days. Then we have increased the dose after 1 month 7 milligram once daily. Then next month we have increased the dose 14 milligrams once daily for maintenance dose. So these are the formulation nowadays available for prescribe. Thank you.